Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing my April BoxyCharm Ipsy box. I still, for some reason, cannot get used to saying Ipsy. I keep wanting to say BoxyCharm, but I know it's Ipsy now. So anyways, that's what today's gonna be all about. We are going to unbox this together, see what's in here. If there's anything that we can try out, we're gonna try it out together. So yeah, before we get started, please give this a big thumbs up for me and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much if you do. Join the family, I would love to have you. But if you want to see me unbox my April Ipsy box, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, let's just get started. As usual, I don't know what's in here. We're in this together. We're unboxing it for the first time together, and we're gonna see what this box is all about, what it has, and like I said, try out what we can try. So, like always, I did open the tab already just for time's sake, but I didn't peek, I promise you. So, Ipsy on top, and then you have Glam Box, BoxyCharm, Icon Box, and I can't remember what this last one is because I always rip it off with the tab. It's Refreshments, I think. So then you open it up and it's the Instagram handle, or not Instagram, I guess, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. And then it just says Ipsy inside. And then you have the newsletter and you can scan the QR code to pull up like what's in your box. You could also just go ipsy.com, and if you scroll down, it has like a picture of your box and then underneath is like what's in it. So that's what I did just to make it faster. So I'm gonna put this down and we can just start doing things. So again, I have the Ipsy website pulled up with the box. I'm just gonna scroll down and see whatever comes up first, and I'm gonna pick it out of the box. I feel like that's the easiest way to do it. So the first product is, oh, HAUS Labs, Lady Gaga's brand. It's the Edge Precision Eyebrow Pencil in Ash Brown. So it goes for $22. It's a full size. It says this award-winning brow pencil helps shape, oh my god, what is wrong with me today? Shape and define your eyebrows with total ease. The super fine tip mimics fine hair-like strokes to create natural blended eyebrows, and the creamy smudge and transfer-proof formula contains vitamin E to help nourish and condition brows. I swear to God, I cannot talk today, you guys. So here is this one. Let me open this package up so we can see what the product looks like inside. This, okay, how much does this cost? $22. I'm gonna be honest, the Rare Beauty one feels so much heavier and like better quality than this, and it's not as expensive. It's like a few dollars cheaper, but we'll see. Maybe this is a really good product. So I have eyebrow gel in right now, so it might not be the easiest to like brush my brows out, but I like this spoolie. I feel like it's really sturdy and it feels good. And then here's the product itself. I don't love that it's like flat at the top. I feel like it should like have an angle to it, and my eyebrows are already filled in, but I'm gonna see what I can do. I like the fact that it's like an ashy brown though, because I feel like my hair is a little bit lighter now, and we're going more like neutral slash a little bit more cool than it had been in the past when it was darker. So I like that this is gonna be like complementary to my new hair color and the new tones. So I didn't really do that much, but I just wanted to see kind of if it did do anything, and I feel like it did add a little color and a little depth. And I'm just gonna swatch. Also, please ignore this. I just filmed a lip stain video and it definitely stained, so just ignore all of the stains on my fingers. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that out. But this is a good color. I like this. So I'm very intrigued. I am going to keep playing around with this. I'll probably use this the next time I do my eyebrows just to see how it works. And I'll keep you guys posted in a future video. But so far, I'm interested. And then next up we have Glowiest. That's a new brand for me. It's the PEEKABOO AHA PHA Skin Perfecting Toner. Goes for $20, full sized. This gentle multitasking toner will have you on your way to perfect skin. It's infused with AHAs and PHAs to help cleanse, exfoliate, and hydrate your skin and leave you looking ultra glowy. And then just like with a toner, you would put some on a cotton pad and then just like swipe your face with it. So here is this. I love the color of the packaging. I think this is adorable. Matches my nails. Let's see. I can't really like full on try this right now because I have makeup on. Kind of smells like a fruity drink. And then here it is just like dabbing a little bit on the back of my hand. It just feels like water, to be honest. There's nothing special that I can really say, I guess. Oh, but it's kind of taking off this stain from the back of my hand, so maybe this is a good thing. Okay, so I am very excited about this one. I might try this tonight once I take my makeup off, so I will definitely keep you guys posted on this. But so far, super excited, and the price point is super reasonable, so I am a fan as much as I can be without actually trying it. So next up we have Mischo Beauty. I'm so sorry if I'm not saying that right. That's a new brand to me. It is their liquid eyeshadow in Magnifique. Goes for $21, full sized. Your eyeshadow game just got a whole lot better and easier. This ultra creamy liquid copper eyeshadow is super easy to swipe over your lids for a unique and flattering look. Plus, it's long wearing and mess free, so you can put it on and forget about it, except when you're getting all the compliments, of course. You guys know me by now. You know I love anything quick and easy, so I'm really hoping that this is good because I will take any just like one-step product that looks good and run with it. So here it is in the packaging. So let me swatch this on the back of... Okay, this is actually really pretty. And I feel like that's the perfect amount of pigment too. I feel like it's like not crazy thick, but you can still see exactly what it is. So I'm gonna just put some on my eyelid and blend with my fingertip and see what this does. And I like how close to like the color of my eyelid this already is. It's like subtle for sure. It's not gonna get you like a crazy glittery look. It's more on the subtle side, but it's really pretty actually. Definitely gonna use it again and I'll keep you guys posted. So next up we have, ooh, First Aid Beauty. Yes, I'm using this today. First Aid Beauty Hydrating Eye Cream with Hyaluronic Acid. It goes for $30. It's an eye cream. Fine lines, puffiness, dryness. This fast absorbing eye cream helps address them all thanks to plumping hyaluronic acid, depuffing caffeine, and soothing colloidal oatmeal. And then it just says, after cleansing, gently apply to the entire orbital area in the AM and PM. I'm definitely going to be using this morning and night because I feel like it's time for a new eye cream for me to try out. And this sounds like it would be perfect. And I really like First Aid Beauty in general. So I'm really excited to try this today. All right, I'm gonna swatch a little bit just so we can see what it looks like, but I don't wanna waste this just in case it's really good. So here it is. It's just a white cream. It smells kind of like cucumbers, which I really like. It feels really good. It's like not crazy thick. It's not really thin either. It just feels like right in the middle. It's like a tiny bit like, not tacky, but it has like a little bit of a thickness to it. And again, I just love the way it smells and it's glowy. I'm really excited about this one. And then last but not least, we have Violet Voss. It's the Pretty in Paradise all-in-one face and eyeshadow palette. Oh, I just put something on my eyes. So this goes for $43. It's full-sized. It says, pretend you're in paradise with this beautiful face and eyeshadow palette. This carefully curated collection is designed to transport you to the lush landscapes and vibrant colors of a tropical paradise. Whether you're aiming for a subtle daytime glow or a bold, tropical-inspired evening look, these shadows deliver stunning results. Okay, let's see what they look like. So here's the palette. I like Violet Voss palettes. I feel like I haven't tried one that's like really stood out to me, because like the packaging is not my favorite. Like it's like a cardboard feeling package. So yeah, Pretty in Paradise. Here is the inside. Again, it's not like wowing me, you know what I mean? Like they're all neutral shades for the most part that I could see myself using, but for some reason the shades are a little bit like on the duller side for looks. So it's just not like grabbing my attention, if that makes any sense to you. I'm gonna do a quick swatch of all of these and then I'll be right back. Okay, I just finished swatching these on the back of my arm. I do like the colors that are on here. The only thing I will say, I just noticed I have a bruise right here. Okay. The only thing I don't like was the lack of pigment. I feel like sometimes Violet Voss eyeshadows are really pigmented and really good quality. But these ones, I feel like I kept like dipping into it and I wasn't getting that much pigment out of it. So I was a little bit disappointed in that. I'm not really excited about any of these shades. But I will take a brush and just try some of the blush, and then I might apply one of the eyeshadows too, just to see. The blush is pigmented. I think that was the one I got most of the pigment out of, but the eyeshadows, definitely not what I was expecting. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of this. Okay, this blush is actually really pretty. I don't know if you guys could see it the way I am, but I think the blush on my face looks really stunning. So I'm pleasantly surprised by that. I don't love that it's like glittery. I wish it was just like a glow because I'm not a fan of glitter. But other than that, I do think like the color itself looks really good on my skin tone. So I'm a fan of that. And then I'm just gonna take this Enchanted Eden and do a little bit on my eyelids just to see what we get out of it. Yeah, so on the eyes, I feel like this looks prettier than just on a swatch. Like Enchanted Eden was this one right here. On the swatch, it looks like nothing. But on my eyes, I feel like it does look like glittery and pretty and pigmented. So I think I just have to play around with this a little bit more. Again, it's not like, I don't see myself grabbing for this first if I have to choose between eyeshadow palettes. But I do think it has potential. Again, this blush shade's really pretty, and this shade on my eyelids ended up working really nicely. So I'm gonna keep playing with it. I'll keep you guys posted, but so far, so good. That's it though. I feel like I got some pretty good products in this month's box. I feel like they're all products that I want to try again, like especially the First Aid Beauty. I want to see how the HAUS Labs brow product looks on its own the next time I do my brows, and I'm really excited about this toner. I want to try it also today. And then I feel like the two eyeshadow palettes I'm like iffy 50-50 on, so I need to keep playing with all of them. But it was a good box. That's it though. Let me know if you guys do BoxyCharm Ipsy as well. Let me know if we got the same things, if we got something different from each other. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. But stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.